Welcome back, guys. Today I am going over and giving you guys a list of 21 stocks who have paid a dividend for 100 years straight. In dividend investing, you're looking for consistency and stability. Someone who's going to provide companies that are going to provide income for the long run, and these are those companies. Now, I've got these sorted by the highest yield currently to the lowest yield. Some of these companies in lower yield you may or may not want to invest in. I'm invested in the majority of these. There are a few I'm not, but I'm talking a few, like three, maybe four. Um, anyway, even the ones with lower yields are amazing companies that you probably do want to invest in, especially if you're looking for something safe and secure and long term investing. Um, so to start, we got General Mills. They make consumer foods like cereal and pizza and a ton of stuff that you'll see in your grocery store. Current yield is 4.49%, which is pretty good at this time. The Bank of Nova Scotia is actually a Canadian bank. If you don't know about investing in Canadian stocks as a U.S. investor, basically in a taxable account, they will take 15% of your dividend before they pay it out to you as tax. If you if you put it in an IRA, then that is waived and they won't take that. In the taxable account, they'll take that 50%, but at the end of the year, when you do your taxes, you can deduct that 50% that you paid. Another one is Canadian Imperial Bank of Commerce. This is also another Canadian bank. Now, mind you, all of these have paid for over 100 years dividends. That's a long time, guys. That's longer than I intend for my lifetime to be. Next one is Consolidated Edison. They provide electricity, gas, and steam, so energy products. ExxonMobil, oil, which I knew about, and natural gas, which I did not know about. And dividends, by the way, are 3.84 and 3.82 on those. Another Canadian bank. There's actually 5 of them, by the way. 5 Canadian banks, the 5 biggest, have been paying a dividend for over 100 years. Banking in Canada also is known to be a little more stable, secure, I don't know what the right word is, than the United States. Anyway, this one is 3.73% right now. Edison International provides electricity, 3.62%. Bank of Montreal, another Canadian bank, 3.54%. Procter & Gamble, Procter & Gamble, they have like, I don't know, 20% of everything in Walmart. Beauty, grooming, healthcare, fabric, home care, every home product you need, basically. 3.45% right now, not bad. Another Canadian bank at 3.44%. And the Coca-Cola Company, obviously everybody knows what Coke is. Recently, they've also been considering getting into cannabis drinks with marijuana being legalized in Canada and some other areas. They're looking into expanding into something new, which I think is a wonderful thing. Current yield is pretty decent at 3.4% as well. Then the ones we have below 3%, Johnson Controls International, they provide air conditioning, heating, refrigeration, and energy management solutions. They've been around forever. They've been paying dividend for 100 years. Dividend or the yield is 2.87%, which isn't bad. 3M, everybody knows 3M. They make products for pretty much every industry out there, healthcare, manufacturing, everything. 2.5%, 2.58, not bad. Colgate Palmolive, I'm sure you guys heard of these. Toothpaste, shampoo, conditioner, soap, all that good stuff, 2.5%, not bad. Dow DuPont. Now, these used to be 2 separate companies. They combined, merged. They both actually had been paying a dividend for over 100 years. They are into a lot of things that I didn't know they were into. They actually sell agricultural hybrid seeds and weed and insect control products. They do packaging. They do all kinds of specialty materials they make for different manufacturers. They're pretty well diversified. 2.34%. The York Water Company obviously does water, drinking water and wastewater treatment. 2.22%. Chubb Limited is an insurance company, been around forever. Again, all these 100 years. 2.16% yield. Not bad. Eli Lilly and Company, they do pharmaceuticals. They've been around forever. 2.13%. UGI Corporation, I don't think they produce energy, but they sell it, store it, distribute it, all that good stuff. Propane, electricity, gas, all kinds of energy. 1.92%. Stanley Black& Decker. They do power tools. That's what they're known for, but I also didn't know they do some other stuff. They make fasteners. The one I really didn't know was security monitoring. They actually do like video surveillance and security monitoring services. So, alarm goes off, fire alarm goes off, whatever, then it notifies them. All that good stuff. They do even more than that. I didn't even write down, but their yield currently is a little low, 1.77%, but they are a fantastic company to invest in, and I definitely own them. PPG Industries also own. They make paint and coating and sealant and all that good stuff. 1.74%. And Church of Dwight Company Incorporated, they make household products like OxyClean, children condoms, Arm & Hammer products, all that good stuff. They're currently pretty low at 1.46%. But mind you, all of these have been paying a dividend nonstop without cutting it, like without stopping it, for 100 years or more. A lot of these are more. And they're huge companies. I mean, you've heard of them. These, I would say, are pretty stable investments. And I see a lot of other people on YouTube that are showing their portfolios and stuff and doing this type of stuff, making a little disclaimer. I'm not a financial advisor, all that good stuff. So don't listen to me. Make your own decision. I am not responsible if you lose money in investing in anything. All right. Have a good day, guys. Enjoy. Hope that helped you.